and face life's tests. What was broken did not divide us. What was heavy did not deny us. In the struggle something grew, a strength made whole by me and you. We carry the fire, pass hand to hand, from those who stood to those who stand. True struggle and love, true loss and desire, our future lives, 'cause we carry the fire out of many. One people we stand, different stories, one shared land. What our ancestors survived and gave lights the path for the lives we save. Some gave sweat, some gave prayer, some gave silence, some gave care. Some built roads, some tilled ground, some sang hope when hope was scarce around. Not every battle was loud or seen, not every victory wore a crown, but every sacrifice, great or small, helped it shape this place we now call home. Their strength was never just their own, it was meant to be passed on. In how we help, in how we stay, in how we choose each other every day. We carry the fire, pass hand to hand, from those who stood to those who stand. True struggle and love, true loss and desire, our future lives, 'cause we carry the fire out of many. One people we stand, many cultures, one heartbeat land. What our ancestors survived and gave teaches us now how to be brave. When trials come, we don't turn away, we lean in closer, we help each other stay. No one survives alone or apart. A nation is built on a shared arm. When one falls weak, another lends strength. That is how we endure, that is how we lengthen the line from past to what will be, a future shaped by unity. Now lift it high for every child, for every life. What was survived was not in vain, It lives in us, again and again, out of many. One people still, bound not by sameness, but shared will, rooted in history, facing what's ahead. We are Jamaica, together land. Different beginnings, one journey, many names, one nation. In times of trial, we do not let go, we hold each other. We carry the fire together,
From yard to the world, yeah. From a small piece of rock in the middle of the sea. Big dreams born where the whole world see. Sun pon we skin, rhythm in we walk. Even when we silent, culture still talk. From corner shop radios to stadium sound. From schoolyard vibes to global ground. Didn't wait for permission, we created the lane. Turn pressure into power, turn struggle into flame. They ask how a small island makes such noise. How a little voice move nations, kings and boys. It's more than music, fashion or style. It's a way of thinking that travel every mile. From yard to the world, watch how we rise. Small island, big vision in we eyes. From the beat to the talk to the way we move. Global impact, Jamaica set the groove. From yard to the world, no limits, no fear. Anywhere we step, culture appear. We don't just travel, we change the world. Born in Jamaica, message unfurled. In a foreign land where nothing come easy. Paperwork, heavy rules move uneasy. Accent judge before they hear we plan. Work twice as hard just to prove we can. Cold nights, long shifts, mindful of home. Send money back while we feel alone. Smile upon face, hide silent pain. Carry hard pride while walking in rain. Trials and tribulation, test we weigh. But quitting never part of what we say. We bend, we adapt, we learn, we stand. Still Jamaica, no matter the land. Never had much, but we had belief. Turn little resources into legacy. When the door locked tight, we innovate. If there's no gate open, we create. From yard to the world, watch how we rise. Small island, big vision in we eyes. From language to mindset, sound to groove. Global influence in everything we do. From yard to the world, every space we touch. Little island power that means so much. We don't just show up, we reshape the world. Born in Jamaica, flag unfurled. Different accents, same foundation, different location, same vibration. London, Toronto, New York, Berlin, Jamaican mindset, everywhere we we bring the sunshine into gray spaces. Turn unfamiliar rooms into familiar places. It's not arrogance, it's knowing our words. Small island roots with global reach and force. From yard to the world, lift it higher. Small island sparks set the globe on fire. From culture to mindset, art to style, Jamaica influence, mile after mile. From yard to the world, history in motion. One small island with an endless ocean. We came with roots, we came with pride. From yard to the world, worldwide. Small island, yeah. Small island, global mindset, yeah. Small island, hard roads, strong people. From here to the world, yeah. To the world, yeah. To the world.
Come from different streets and different names, different views, different fears, different pains. Some have much, some barely enough. Some speak loud, some been silenced too long.
Different borders, different beliefs, different stories of how we see peace. But when the night fall hard on we land, we all reach out for the same helping hand.
We've tried separation, we've seen where it leads. Walls don't heal wounds, they deepen the need. If we listen instead of draw lines in the sand, we might finally understand.
One people, one heart, one shared tomorrow. We rise together through joy and sorrow. Stronger united than torn apart. One nation breathing with one heart. One people, one voice. When love takes the lead, we find more strength than division can steal. No matter where we live or how we start, we are one people, one heart.
Some fight for power, some fight to survive, some feel forgotten, just trying to get by. Different choices, different views, but the future's still waiting on me and you.
From hill to coast, from town to takes the lead. We build the bridge that hate can't reach. No matter where we live or how we start, we are one people, one cause.
Hold my hand, don't let go. We are more than what divides us.
If one fall, we lift them up. That's how our people stay strong.
Different paths, same direction, one future together.
One people, one heart, now lifted higher. Let unity be our fire. From many voices, one clear path, we stand as one. One people, one heart, not bound by class, not ruled by fear. We choose each other right here.
Through every trial, through every star, one people, one heart.
We don't have to agree to stand side by side.
We don't have to be the same to care. If we choose each other, we choose the future. One people.
One heart. One heart. One heart. One people.
One heart. Them call we poor, them call we small. Put we name on label like it final. Them see our dress, them judge the soul. Them not know the heart, them not know the goal. Born in a struggle, yes that's true. But struggle not decide what we can do. From yard to road, from shore to town, we carry light where hope break down. You can't box a dream in a broken wall. You can't silence truth when it stands tall. From every place the world overlook, rise our voice them never took. We are more than what we face, more than hunger, more than place, more than names them try replace. We are more than what we face. We are more than what we face, more than hunger, more than place, more than names them try replace. We are more than what we. Migrant, outsider, ghetto child. Them see the past but miss the smile. History heavy, future unclear, but dignity live right, yeah, so right, yeah. Same blood run through every land, same tears fall from every man. Different roads, same human cry, same reason we refuse to lie. No chain strong enough to bind the mind. No border stop what's inside. From broken start to endless grace, we rise up strong from every place. We are more than what we face, more than loss and more than pain, more than fear and trying great. We are more than what we face. We are more than what we face, more than loss and more than pain, more than fear and trying great. We are more than what we face. Say it slow. our space. We are more than what we face. We are more than what we face. More than
More than walls,
more than praise.
every storm, we hold our space.
Hold our
We
space.
are more than what we face.
No label define we name. No past decide we flame. Yeah, yeah. From red dirt roads where barefoot children run, morning sunrise slow, new day just begun. Zing roof sing when the rain fall down. Mama said, hold your head, don't make life keep you down.
My teacher tell me greatness no come overnight. While others sleep, you have to work through the night. So we learn patience, sweat and time. Plant one seed, still believe in the kind.
We come from stories never written in books, from callous hands and knowing looks. When we're back against the wall, we never retreat. We push forward still, firm on we feet. Heavy is the crown we wear, but we still rise, we still dare. The weight of history, pan we name. No break with spirit, it light the flame. We carry the fire deep in we soul. From generation to generation it flows. When we're back against the wall and the road feel dire, we push forward still, cause we carry the fire. Yeah, we carry the fire burning bright. From yard to foreign we claim we right. Remember the struggle, remember the pain. We Jamaica proud and broken free and standing again. Yeah. From Kingston streets to foreign land, suitcase dreams in trembling hands. Work all day, send love back home, building futures from broken bones. Them no see the nights we cry alone, missing yard, missing home. But every step, every sacrifice is a bridge we build to a better life. We walk with ancestors side by side, them strength alive in every stride. Chains couldn't stop the will to be. We are Jamaica, proud and free. We bend but no, we never break. Every loss of strength we take. From whispered prayers to battle cries, we still rise, we still rise. We carry the fire deep in we soul. From generation to generation it flows. Through the storm, through the night, through the pain and the wire. We push forward still, cause we carry the fire. Them try to bury we under them weight, but we rise again. Jamaica proud and free. Yeah. Hear the drum in the heartbeat, hear the ancestors call we name. Every tear, every prayer, every scar we bear, a fuel for the flame. We more than survival stories told, more than chains and days of old. Freedom living the way we stand, with open heart and steady hand. We carry the fire, now leave it higher. For the ones we come after, we light the fire. When the world says stop, we still aspire. This how we truth.
We carry the fire.
From island to world, from dream to desire, forever we stand.
Jamaica proud and free.
Yeah. My teacher tell me, yeah. Yeah, the teacher, greatness not come overnight. While others sleep, we keep working, we keep building, we keep rising, yeah.
We carry the fire.
Yeah.
We carry the fire.
Yeah.
Jamaica proud and free.
Yeah.
We carry the fire.
Yeah. come with wind and rain. Some arrive quiet, heavy with pain. Bills stack high, dreams feel thin. Fighting battle nobody seeing. Some storms live inside the mind. Fear of tomorrow running out of time. Some storms tear families apart. Some leave scars deep in the heart. No warning sign, no shelter call. Just one more test standing tall. But even shaking, trying to breathe, we held on stronger than we believed. Some nights bend the strongest soul. Some days take a heavy toll. But every breath we still draw in is proof the struggle didn't win.
We're still standing
after it all,
after the rise,
after the fall.
life pushed hard.
But here we remain,
We've been with the way,
but we don't break.
we're still standing,
Proud and strong,
rooted deep,
where we belong.
through every loss.
Through every test, we're still standing, doing our best. Some storms come dressed as pride, smiling face with pain inside. Working hard, still falling short, giving everything, getting no support. Some storms sound like silent nights, prayers whispered, no clear replies. Some storms come from choices made, some from promises that slowly fade. But in the middle of the unseen fight, we learn how to stand upright. Not untouched, not unscarred, just still here, still trying hard. We didn't have answers, we didn't have much, just faith, endurance, and human touch. From generation to generation past, a will to survive that holds us fast.
Still standing
After it all,
after the rise,
after the fall,
life pushed hard.
but here we remain,
We've been with the way,
but we don't break.
we're still standing
Side by side,
with island pride.
we cannot hide.
Through every loss,
Through every test, we're still standing, doing our best. This land taught us how to endure, how to stand firm, how to be sure. From long roads walked to lessons learned, every hardship shaped what we've earned. We carry a name that time can erase, written in courage, written in grace. Not because life has treated us kind, but because we refuse to fall
still
beyond.
standing,
After it all,
not unturned
but not gone,
from the crack.
new light is drawn,
We're still standing,
holding on.
we bend, we heal, we learn to grow.
Carry tomorrow.
Even when slow,
If you ask how we survived, we stood together and stayed alive. Not every storm has thunder, not every battle is seen, but this nation, these people, we know how to endure. We are still standing, and we will survive. And we will survive. Here were days, no food, no backup plan. Everything gone, but we still here. Yeah. There were nights when the cobra bear, stomach talking louder than a prayer. One light bulb dark in the room, hope stretched thin like the end of the moon. Dreams big but the place stay empty. Had to stay strong when the world didn't get me. Bills passed due, eviction fear. Lost so much, still standing here. Everything gone, plans, pride, peace. But quitting never came that easy. We learned how to rise on broken ground. With nothing left, we still found sound. Hunger taught lessons money couldn't teach. Pain showed power within our reach. When life stripped us to the bone, we found strength we didn't know. No food on the table, no roof inside. Everything lost in the middle of the fight. But we rise, yeah we rise again. From empty hands to a stronger stand. Built from nothing, scars still show. From days with nothing to seeds that grow. We bend, we bleed, but we don't fall. From total loss, we rise, do it all. Lost friends, lost time, lost direction. Lost faith for a moment, learned reflection. Cold nights questioning every plan. Asking how much more one heart can stand. They didn't see the tears in the dark, only see the finish, never the start. When everything failed, when nothing worked, that's when the hunger woke the world. We counted days by surviving hours. Turned desperation into power. No applause, no safety net, just willpower and every breath. When the world took all it could take, we still had choice, rise or break. From the ashes of what was gone, we built the strength to carry on. No food on the table, no roof inside. Everything lost in the middle of the fight. But we rise, yeah we rise again. From empty hands to a stronger stand. Built from nothing, truth in pain. Hunger scars, but it fuels the flame. What tried to end us made us stop. From total loss, we rise, real talk. If you never miss meals, you won't understand how survival hardens the soul and the hand. When everything gone and you still stand tall, that's greatness built from nothing at all. It's for the ones still pushing through, with empty plates but dreams still true. If you breathe it, if you try it, you already rising. We rise from hunger, we rise from loss. Paid full price, no shortcuts cost. From the bottom floor to breaking ground, we built greatness when nothing was found. Built from nothing, living proof. When all was gone, we found the truth. Not overnight, not handed down. We rose when everything broke down. No food, no air. Everything lost, still standing. No food, no air. Still rising.
Different skin, different story, different land. But the same heartbeat pulls through every hand. From city lights to the quiet yard, same old rise where the road get hard. Them draw lines span map and mind, tell we who ahead and who behind. But love not check your place or name. Human family share the same flame. If you listen close, you will hear it too. Every prayer sound different, but they need the same truth. No wall strong enough to block compassion. No hate bigger than collective action. Yeah.
One people, one future.
Side by side we stand.
One people, one future.
Love are the strongest plan. From every border, every culture, we rise together hand in hand.
One people, one future.
Built on love, not sand. Yeah. Politics come and politics go. Promises change like tide and flow, but when storm come or fire burn, it's human kindness that make hope return. Rich or poor, uptown, downtown, same tears fall when our life go down. So why we fight when the truth's so plain? We stronger together, divided we stray. No color on the right to care, no passport define who belong anywhere. Love is the language everyone know, the only seed that forever
One people,
one future, no first, no last.
one people, one future.
Learning from the past through every struggle, every culture. We choose love over fear at last.
One people, one future.
A bridge we built to last. Say, who we be,
One people, one you.
where we go, what guide we love.
One people, one you.
One people,
One people, one future.
every heart, every voice.
One people, one future.
In unity we rejoice across all borders, all cultures. We lift each other, make the choice. One people, one future. Love is not weakness, love is strength. Yeah. If we love each other, the way forward clear. Shared future start when we truly care.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, hey.
Ooh.
No matter where I roam, I left the island with a suitcase dream. Salt in my hair, sun on my skin. Plane lift up but my heart stay low. Some things you carry you never let go. Different streets, different skies, but Jamaica still live behind my eyes. Every accent I hear, every song that play, bring me back home in a quiet way.
I learned the world, I learned to grow, but there's a truth I always know. You can travel far, you can chase your own, but the island never leaves you alone. No matter where I roam, Jamaica in me, in my walk, in my talk, in my memory. When Jamaica hurts, my heart feel it too. What happens at home still pull me through.
From foreign nights to island dawn, my love for you still carry on. No matter where I roam or go, Jamaica lives in my soul. The memories, I remember barefoot days and evening breeze, calling out names under mango trees. Laughter loud, nothing much to own, but love was rich, we weren't alone. Old radio, one favorite song, Sunday dinners when the day feels long.
Even now when the world feels cold, those memories warm me, never old. Time moves fast, but some things stay, like the sound of a yard calling my name. Distance stretch, but it don't divide. Jamaica still lives on this side. No matter where I roam, Jamaica in me, in my walk, in my talk, in my memory. When Jamaica hurts, my heart feel it too.
Every struggle at home still break me through.
From city lights to quiet roads, I carry you wherever I go. No matter where life take me to, Jamaica, oh, I'm still you.
I don't wish better for some, but for all, every child rise, no one left to fall. I dream of a Jamaica where love lead way, not divided by power, party your name. Let love go further than boundary lines, further than politics, further than in time. One heart, one people, one destiny.
you're going through. From diaspora tears to island prayer, one love still holding us everywhere. No matter where we live or start, Jamaica beating every heart. One love, one home, one family, one Jamaica for all truly. I may live far, but I never leave you. No matter where I roam, Jamaica. Yesterday heavy, but today in my hand. Footsteps small, but the road still show. Every lesson teach me how to grow. My trip, my pause, my laugh, my learn. Every wrong turn got a truth to earn. No need rush, what the heart perfect. Forward motion is the real success. If me slow, me still not lost. Every gain come with a cost. Grace cover me direction. Progress beat perfection. Still moving forward, step by step. Even when I feel me not there yet. Still moving forward, heart open wide. Every little try on my side. Still moving forward, day by day. Me not give up just because me straight. Show highlight, never show the climb. Them hide the struggle, show the shine. But real life moving gentle pace. Fall down 7, rise with grace. No shame in the scar them carry. Every mark prove me still a journey. If me breathe, me still belong. Hope still sing my quiet song. No finish line for self-belief. Healing take time, joy take leave. From patience grow direction. Progress beat perfection. Still moving forward, step by step. Learning love in every breath. Still moving forward, calm and true. What me become start from what me do. Still moving forward, slow but strong. Just one more try, every sunrise. Say don't ask why, kind to self, the way we grow. Forward is the only flow. Still moving forward, no disguise. Gentle strength before my eyes. Still moving forward, heart secure. Imperfect steps still pure. Still moving forward, come what may. Choose progress every day. Not perfect, but present. Not finished, but faithful. They told us wait, they told us stay in line. Said truth is loud, but only at the right time. But silence costs more than words ever could. And history bends when someone finally stood. Every system fears a question asked. Every lie survives survives when truth don't last. We inherit more than what we're told. We inherit a voice, steady and bold. If we don't speak, the story's chosen. If we don't act, the door stays frozen. Change don't knock, it's built inside. Courage wakes when fear asides.
This is our voice, this is our right, to name the wrong and stand for life.
We write the story, line by line, not borrowed words. The voice is mine.
This is our moment,
Clear and true.
what we defend defines what's new.
They'll call you difficult, say you're too loud, say be grateful, say don't stand out. But progress never came from quiet consent. Every freedom started where a boundary bent.
We don't burn bridges, we build new ways. We challenge systems so people can stay. The future listens to what we choose. Every action leaves the truth to use.
Power shifts when courage speaks,
Not just for strong,
but for the meek.
Agency grows when fear release. One clear voice can change beliefs.
This is our voice, this is our right, to question walls and widen sight.
We claim our place, we own our name. No borrowed truth, no inherited shame.
This is our moment,
Tried and true.
what we protect becomes the future too.
No, 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 no. To those not born but listening still, know this change began with a will. We spoke when silence felt more safe. We chose the long road, not escape. May you inherit more than laws and land. May you inherit courage in your hands.
This is our voice, not raised in hate,
But firm enough to challenge fate. This is our agency, alive and strong, to right the course when system's wrong.
this is our courage,
Passed along
so the next generation stands even taller.
the story continues.
Because we spoke,
The future breathes.
because we chose.
Yeah. We're at all Mama, Papa, if I could write one more line, I tell you every step I take still carry your sign. Long nights, empty place, hope strong in your eyes. You hid the pain so I could rise. When the world felt cold and the road felt long, you stood like mountains, steady and strong. Every sacrifice you never spoke built the backbone I now invoke. You prayed when I didn't even know the words. You guided me before I ever heard what discipline, love, and truth could be. Now I see what you planted in me. Mama, Papa, this life I live is the harvest of the love you give. Though you're gone, you still remain
In every choice,
in every name.
your prayers still walk,
This road with me
your lessons live.
eternally,
You're not here,
but you never leave.
I am your legacy.
Oh, 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 yeah. You taught me patience when the fire burned, taught me respect before money earned. You showed me wrong, you showed me right, even when shortcuts, no borrowed crown. Stand firm, don't sell your soul for sound. Now I guide the youth with what you gave, turning broken paths into brave. Every good choice got your voice inside. Every moment I chose truth over pride. You planted seeds you never got to see, but they're growing now through me. Mama, Papa, this life I live is the harvest of the love you give. Though you're gone, you still remain in every choice, in every name.
Your prayers still walk.
This road with me,
Your lessons live.
eternally.
You're not here.
But you never leave. I am your legacy. Mama, Papa, this life I live is the harvest of the love you give. Though you're gone, you still remain in every choice, in every name. Your prayers still walk
This road with me
your lessons live.
eternally.
You're not here, but you never leave.
I am your legacy.
They are gone, but gone don't mean erase. They live in discipline, they live in values. They live in how I treat people when nobody watching. This is not a goodbye, this is continuation. Mama, Papa, hear my song.
Your love
Make me this strong. From your sacrifice I stand tall, so the next generation won't fall. Your memory is my foundation,
Your life is.
my declaration.
You're gone in flesh.
But not in truth. You live on through the future. You rest easy. Your work continues. Listen close, you never reach her by chance. Every breath you breathe is part of the plan. From dirt road days to the dreams in your head, purpose walk with you even when hope feel dead. Before you born, groundwork set, ancestors sweat, so we now forget. Them fight storms, them cross them line, so we could stand tall in this time. Life offer more than fear and doubt. Look inside, your strength already sprout. Know who you be, know where you're from. Your story not done, it just begin now. You're here for your purpose, no waste, no day. Take what life give, but choose your way. History build the road we tread. Now we write tomorrow with the steps ahead. Only the best that good enough. Hold your head high when the road get rough. Look ahead, no ceiling, no limit inside. Sky is the limit, so rise in your light, yeah. When people block your path, don't fight them down. Jamaica teach we all is another ground. Bush path, side road, find a next lane. Plenty way for win without carry them chain. Mind who you walk with, mind who you hear. Some voices drain you, some bring you fear. Keep circle small, keep vision clean. Now everybody meant for walking your dream. Inspire yourself before you inspire crowd. Move with respect, but move with pride. What them say can't stop you climb. Your future bigger than them present mind. You're here for your past, no waste, no day. Take what life give, but choose
never quit. From struggle come wisdom, from pressure come strength. Walk with purpose, move with intention. Legacy live when you live right. Got purpose in your step, fire in your soul. Make the journey count. Got the real goal. What before set the place for now, but the future belong to you. Only the best.
That good enough?
Forward ever,
No backward stuff.
eyes to the sky, heart to the ground. Your destiny call, make the answer low. Stay inspired, stay aware. You're here for more. Every step you take, leave a mark in the sand. Someone watching how you rise, how you stand. You may not see it, but your movement loud. Even silent strength speak to the crowd. Remember the road where your journey began, the hands that guide you, the places you've been. If you forget where you come from inside, you lose the compass that helped you decide.
Hold that memory close, let it light your way. What before made you ready for today? A story bigger than just one name. It's a link in a chain, not a solo flame.
No one is an island, no soul stand alone. We rise on the strength of the love we know. When you help a dream grow, you keep hope alive. Your success mean more when we all survive. Remember your roots, let the future see. What you become, help somebody be. We all depend on each other's life.
Together right, together we fly. Oh yeah. Together we fight. Oh yeah. Together we fight. Hey. Every door you open makes space for more. Someone behind you reaching that door. If you lift one soul while you climb that hill, the dream keep breathing and never go still.
Don't measure life by what you gain, measure it by who feel less pain. Community strong when we share the load. That's how greatness walk this road. You didn't get it by yourself alone. Every blessing carries someone's stone. So when you move, move with grace. Your steps might help another find place. No one is an island, no soul stand alone.
No one is an island.
We rise on the strength of the love we know. When you help a dream grow, you keep hope alive. Your success mean more when we all survive. Remember your roots, let the future see. What you become, help somebody be. We all depend on each other's life.
Together we ride, together we rise, together we fight, together we fight, together we fight, together we fight. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah, la, la, ah, yeah. Ah, la, la, ah. forget the ones who walked before. Your movement today. Together forget the village. Never forget the struggle. Never forget the ones who walked before. Oh yeah.
No one is an island. We're connected by design. Your progress pull others across the line. Lift as you climb, let love decide. Dreams stay alive when shared wide. From where you come to where you go, let your life help another grow. Hand in hand, heart to heart.
Together is how all journeys start. Oh, journeys start. Keep remembering, keep lifting others, because no one is an island.
If this album reach your heart tonight, let it sit with you, let it guide you right. Every song a step, every word a sign. From where we start to the end of the line.
Mama's prayers, Papa's ways, ancient strength in modern days. Nothing wasted, nothing lost. Every sacrifice pay its cost.
The journey long, but we still stand. Built by love, not luck or chance. What we learn, we pass along. That's how we things turn strong. Carry it forward, don't drop the flame. What lift you up, can't lift the same. Remember your roots, respect the road. You didn't walk here on your own. From dream to dream, from hand to hand. No one is an island, we all must stand. If this music teach you one thing true, carry it forward in what you do.
Life will test you people too. Some will doubt, some push through. Choose your circle, guard your mind. Not everybody meant for walk your line.
When the roadblock find a way, push paths still reach same place. Live someone while you climb the hill. That's how dreams stay breathing still.
The past prepare us for today. The future waiting on what we say. So move with purpose, move with care. Your movement speaking everywhere.
Carry it forward, don't drop the flame. What lift you up, can't lift the same. Remember your roots, respect the road. You didn't walk here on your own. From dream to dream, from hand to hand. No one is an island, we all must stand. If this music teach you one thing true, carry it forward in what you do. Carry it forward, don't drop the flame. What lift you up, can't lift the same.
Remember your